TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. 3 hours left to go in the trading day on Wednesday, and we have a mixed market with some volatility out there. S&P is currently negative by 5 points, trading at 2626. Dow Jones positive by 52 points, trading at 24,456, and the Nasdaq negative by 31, trading at 6988. We have lower action in bonds and notes. 10-year note off 5 ticks at 121.13, 30-year bond off 10 ticks at 145.03, and the dollar index off 239 ticks after being positive earlier in the day, trading at 95,720. Let's jump over to the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow. Quite an acceleration to the negative side. It begins right at about 10 a.m. shortly after their 10 a.m. Eastern Time. We're trading at 24,660. You had the Dow up about 250 plus points at that level, and from there the Dow trades from 24,660 all the way down to a low of 24,282, almost 300 points. From there we're up a bit, 24,432. Nasdaq 100, pretty similar story. Highs of the session 67.21. Nasdaq trades all the way down to a 6,500 handle. Quite a down thrust of about 125 points. From there, you're up a bit. S&P, similar story. Highs made of 2653. We trade all the way down to 2612. That's like 40 S&P points, folks. Up to 2626. Gold, volatility as well. 1284 to 1278. Back up to about 1284. And crude oil trading a bit lower, 52.34 in the price of crude. In terms of what's happening in the market, one of the news stories out there is you have the White House Council of Economic Advisors Chairman Kevin Hassett talking about that there could be zero growth this quarter with the government shutdown still looming over the economy. So that news coming out right at around the time when the market shifted, whether that was the only factor in the sell-off, but it was a factor nonetheless. IBM earnings, quite a number, as they beat estimates and forward guidance gets raised. That stock trading higher. We'll jump over to that chart in a moment. Comcast earnings beating as well. I'm going to jump through a few of these quickly, but revenue of 27.846 versus 27.553. You had United Technology, and you also had Procter & Gamble. And to pull up all those charts, we'll start it off with IBM, up about 7.3%. United Technologies up 4.2%, and we'll get there. Procter & Gamble, PG, up 4.4%. Stay tuned, folks. We got a replay of Larry coming up right now, and then Dave White live at 2, Tom O'Brien live at 3. Have a great Wednesday.